Hey designers, today we have an exciting topic to dive in. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced designer, Figma provides a user-friendly interface with a ton of features that make your design process smoother. Once you've created your account and logged in, you'll be taken to the Figma homepage. Let's take a closer look at the key elements of the Figma homepage. At the top, you have the toolbar, which provides quick access to essential features like creating new files by clicking this plus icon, switching between project tabs, searching for specific files, teams, or people. In this area, all your projects are organized. You can create new projects, sort or filter them into folders, switch between list and thumbnail view. The Recent Files section displays the most recent files you've been working on, making it easy to jump back into your ongoing projects with just a click. The Draft Files section displays all your personal or individual projects. You can move it to your team project at any time. Your favorites file will be listed here, and it can be audited by clicking the star on any file. Finally, in the homepage, you'll find the Teams section here. If you're working with a team, this is where you can move projects from drafts, create new projects, invite new members, and collaborate on projects seamlessly. Team settings. Alright, let's begin by understanding the difference between Figma Design and FigJam. Figma Design is a comprehensive design tool that allows you to create stunning user interfaces, prototypes, and design systems. It's perfect for all aspects of visual design. On the other hand, FigJam is a collaborative whiteboarding tool within Figma. It's designed specifically for brainstorming, ideation, and collaborative work sessions. Think of it as a virtual whiteboard where teams can come together and brainstorm ideas visually. Here, Figma has provided some basic FigJam templates for our use. Figma Community is a treasure trove of design resources, including UI kits, templates, and plugins. It's a great place to find inspiration or speed up your design process with pre-made assets. Now that we've explored the different sections of the Figma homepage, in the next video, we will talk about creating your first project.